Hi all, I'm Rachna. Today I'm going to demo the Flex Gateway in connected mode. Anypoint Flex Gateway is a lightweight standalone gateway that can serve as a proxy for any API, including non-mule applications. It can run on different environments such as Linux, Docker, Kubernetes, OpenShift. For this demo, I'm using a Docker container where I have deployed my one of the mule application on it. Prerequisite is please deploy any one of the mule application on Docker. If you are not aware, follow the previous one of my video. I'll be providing the link in the description box. This is how my mule application has been deployed on the Docker container. Which where Docker is listening on the 500 port and my mule application is listening on the port 8092. Whenever I'm hitting the port 50, it will be rerouted to 8092 port of my mule application. This is how we can confirm like it's hitting my Docker. So here is my, okay, let me change the endpoint. 5000 slash v1 slash hello is my path. Yeah, and it is hitting. We are getting a successful response. Hello, Docker. Once this is done, just create an empty folder by any of the name and just copy that file path and keep it in one of your notepad or notepad. Yeah, once this is done, just get into your runtime manager. I'm inside the sandbox. I'll just getting into the Flex gateway. Go ahead and start adding the gateway. Add gateway. I'm adding the Docker. So I'm just copying the first command. Get into the command prompt. Just click on paste it. Let it start. Wait. Full. Let's prepare our second command. I'm just copying the second command and pasting it over here. In the second command, please remove these lines and make it in the single line as a single line command. At the end, please provide the Flex gateway name, whatever it's in your convenient way. Mule Flex one. And in this $pwd, please paste the path which we copied earlier where we have created an empty folder. Okay, this is how our command looks like. I'm just copying this whole command. And yeah, our fully success. I'm just creating this. Once I click on this, it starts registering. Let's get into the third command. I'm just copying the third command. Let's just prepare the third command. This command is for running our Flex gateway. Here I'm exposing the port 8081. That means whenever I'm hitting the 8081 port with this Flex gateway, it should reroute to the other. I'll show you how that will happen. I'm just replacing this PWD with this. Okay, this is done. Once this is done, we can see the okay, let me learn the third command. And once the third command is running, we can see the our mulesoft flex gateway is running on port 8081. The same thing will be available over here if we get back. Yeah, it's connected and it is having the one replica. Once this is done, let's go to our API manager and start adding the API. I'm choosing the flex gateway. And this is what the connected. Just take the connected one. Next, I'll be creating a new API as a mule gate. And my asset type is HTTP. Just go to here. And before it takes time, you just click on IP config on your one of your command prompt to get your IP4 address. I'm just copying this IP4 address. Yeah, here, just give a API instance name as you want. Just give it as hello mule. Here, my port is like my call is HTTP followed by the IP address I'm providing over here and followed by 5000. 5000 is nothing but my Docker port number which I have configured. Next, this is how it comes, and just give save and deploy. This is where I have given 5000 my Docker application port number. Okay, it's up to date. Now it was hitting through the 5000. Let me try hitting on the 8081. Why 8081? I have given the 8081 over here. If you can see my runtime configuration, I'm giving the 8081. If I hit 8081, it should go back to the 5000, from 5000 to 8092. Yeah, we are getting a successful response. Thank you all.